everyone, it's Lindsay, and today I'm back with another eye makeup collection declutter. I know that this is like the third time I'm doing this type of a video within the past year. Over the past year, I've gotten rid of a lot of my eye makeup collection, and actually this right here I feel like is a lot smaller than what it used to be, but it's still kind of like a journey for me as I'm trying to figure out what I really use, what I really need. And although I'm happy with the size of this, I feel like I can go even further because there are things that I've kept in my old eye makeup declutter videos that I thought I would use over time, and it's just like a year has passed at this point and I still haven't really used some of the eye makeup that I kept. So again, I'm going to go through and see what I want to keep and what I get rid of. So if you're interested in this type of a video, then just keep on watching. The way I have it laid out is that I have my eyeshadow palettes over here, and then I have my single eyeshadows, and then over here I have liners and mascaras, and then these are my two eye primers. So I'm just going to make it really quick and easy, and I'm going to be keeping both of my eye primers. This one I'm almost out of. This is the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. I love this, but I just wanted to try something new, and I did pick up a Laura Mercier Eye Basics eye primer, and I just got this from the Sephora VIB sale, so I'm going to be keeping those two. I'm going to move on to my eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to be keeping my Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon palette. I haven't used this as much in a while. I still use this. I used it a lot when I first got it, but I do love this palette. I just think it's so cute, and I really love the colors. As you can see, I use this color a lot. But yeah, I still love this palette, so I think I'm going to be keeping this. This is like a definition of a waste of money because I bought this. I actually can't remember when I bought this. I think I bought this within the year, and I haven't used it. I think I've only used this once. This is the Too Faced Cat Eyes, and I think that the colors are really cute. It always caught my eye whenever I was in the store, and I just never got it, and then it recently went on sale, and it ended up being like $14, so that's what I bought it off of when it was originally, I believe, like $30 to $35. I don't remember exactly. So I got it for a lot cheaper, but I don't really use it, and I don't think I'm going to be using it, so I think I'm just going to pass this on to a friend. I feel bad because I wasted $14, but I'm also glad that I didn't spend like $60, but it still kind of sucks to like waste your money. I'm going to be keeping this. This is my Too Faced Boudoir eye palette, and I do use this a lot. Oh my gosh, it's like so dirty because you can see there's like shadow all around. But I have used this a lot for a while, and I still love this. So I think I'm just gonna keep that. I think the colors are pretty. This is my Ciate London palette by Olivia Palermo, and I use this palette a lot. I actually don't really talk about this palette that often, but I got it last year, and I use this almost every single day. I love this palette. I just really like the packaging. I think it's a little smaller than I thought it would be, but I kind of like that because it's just like easy to travel and store. This is a Dior eyeshadow palette. It's really small, and it has 5 colors. I think this is in the palette Versailles, and I actually used this quite a bit when I first got it, but I think I'm going to pass this on. I don't use it as much anymore. I think it's because it's the texture of the eyeshadows. I have naturally oily eyelids, and I feel like this eyeshadow kind of just rubs off my eyes very quickly, and I think it kind of irritates my eyelids too. I feel like it's, I don't know if the eyeshadow texture is a little bit too like chunky. I mean, it's not like super chunky, but I feel like it's a little more gritty for my eyelids, so I always find my eyelids getting irritated, and I don't know if I'm going to give this to anyone. I've had it for quite a while, and I don't really feel comfortable giving this to them, so I don't know what I'm going to do. I think I'm just going to pass this on, unfortunately. It got old. It's its time. I have this Tarte palette that I just got, and I'm going to be talking about this in my favorites video because I use this so much. I use this pretty much almost every single day, and it's the Leave Your Mark palette, and it's just really cute. It's a bunch of neutrals, and I love this a lot. I use it, like I said, almost every day. I'm going to be moving on to my single eyeshadows. I'm going to start off with this Butter London one, which I don't know. It's really, really cool. I don't remember what color this is in. Oil Slick. And I was so excited when I got it. And it's a really cool consistency. Oh, it feels kind of dry now. It kind of reminds me of the Maybelline Bouncy blushes. And it's like this really pretty red color. But I don't really find myself using it. And I used it a lot when I first got it, but now I don't really use it as much anymore. So I think I'm going to pass this on, which I feel really bad doing that, but I really don't find myself using it, and it's just kind of taking up space. So goodbye. I'm definitely going to be keeping this. This is just my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, so I use that every day. I have these ColourPop shadows, and this one is in Catnap, and I can't decide if I want to keep this. This is the color. It kind of is just like a neutral color. Actually no, it's a little pink. It looked neutral from my angle. I don't think I'm gonna be keeping it, honestly. I don't know. I don't see anything wrong with the color. I just don't find myself using it. And it's really sad because I don't know. I feel really bad getting rid of it, but again, I don't really use it and it's just taking up space, so I'm gonna get rid of it. And then I have another ColourPop eyeshadow. This is in Lala. I used this a lot when I first got it, and I really like the shadow because it's super velvety. And it's just kind of like a penny color, like a copper penny color. It's really pretty. But I don't find myself using this also. Oh my gosh, I'm like gonna get rid of all my eyeshadows. I don't know. I think I'm gonna get rid of it too. Oh my gosh. I got this other eyeshadow, and it is by ColourPop, and it's Summer Loving. And this is what it looks like, and the color. It's like another brown. As you can tell, I really just use neutrals. It kind of looks the same as the previous color, Lala. I don't know. Again, I think I'm going to get rid of this. It's not that I don't like ColourPop. Like I've said in the past 2 ColourPop eyeshadows, I just don't find myself using it. Nothing wrong with them though. I have this MAC eyeshadow in Feminine Wiles, and I got this a couple years ago. It's just this really cute pink color, and I think I'm going to get rid of it just because I felt like it wasn't as pigmented as I wanted it to be. When I would swatch it, it came out a lot lighter than I was hoping for. I thought it was a little bit more pink than that, but it just seems like silvery pink. And I don't know, I've never really used it that much, so I think I'm going to pass that on. And then I have this purple color by MAC, and it's Magic in Your Eyes. And again, I think I'm going to pass on that. It's a really pretty color, but again, I don't find myself using it, and this is what it looks like. So I've pretty much gotten rid of all my single shadows, and honestly, when it comes to the shadows, I just use a lot of palettes, and that's something that I've just learned. I learned that I don't really wear color as much, and then I don't use single shadows as much for some reason. Moving on to my mascaras and eyeliners, I have a bunch of eyeliners that I need to go through. So this one is NYX The Curve. This is just a black eyeliner, and I think I'm going to keep this because I use that sometimes. I have a Marc Jacobs eyeliner, and again, it's just in another black color that I do use from time to time, so I think I'm going to keep that. I have this Lancome eyeliner, and this is in the color, I don't remember what color this is in. Ampoule? No, that can't be the color. I don't know, it's just a purple color, and I think I'm going to get rid of this because I've saved this in the past couple videos and I don't find myself using this. So I think I'm going to pass that on. I have this Revlon eyeliner, and this is in the color, why can't I find, this is in black brown. And I'm going to keep this because I do use this too, and I really like this eyeliner as well. I have this Tarte eyeliner in Emerald, and it's a really pretty green color. I'll swatch it for you guys. It's really nice. So I am actually on the fence about keeping this because now that I swatch it, I think it's really pretty. I did use it once, but I don't find myself using it that often. I used it a lot when I first got it. Okay, I think I'm going to keep this one. I thought I would be getting rid of it, but I think I'm going to keep it because just swatching it, it's really pigmented and it's really pretty, so I think I'm going to keep that. I'm going to keep this eyeliner as well. This is the Maybelline Master Precise Skinny, and this is in like dark brown, I believe. I do use this pretty much every day, so I'm going to keep that. I think I'm going to get rid of this Sephora eyeliner. It's really pretty. It's like a cobalt blue color. This is called Fancy Blue. And I really like the Sephora liquid eyeliners because I think they're so pigmented. But this is what it looks like. I didn't really use this. I've had this for quite a while now, and I never really used it, and I kept saving it, but I just don't use it anymore. So I think I'm going to get rid of this one. I think I'm going to get rid of this eyeliner too. This is the Stila eyeliner in Amber, and I don't really find myself using it that much. It's just kind of an orangey color that I think is perfect for fall, but I just don't really ever wear it, so that one's going. I'm actually going to get rid of this, but I'm going to keep it because I'm putting it in my favorites video. It wasn't a favorite, it's actually an unfavorite, and I'm going to talk about it in that favorites video. So I'm going to be keeping it for that purpose, but once I film my favorites video, I'm going to get rid of it because I don't like this at all. I'm going to be keeping this mascara. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. I love this so much. I think I'm going to be repurchasing it when I run out of this, but I absolutely love this. This is probably my favorite drugstore mascara. And then I just got this. This is a Ciate Wonder Wand mascara that I picked up from Sephora. It was part of like the rewards points, so I just got that. Can't talk. Okie dokie, so this is what I'm going to be keeping, and then this is what I'm going to be getting rid of, and I feel so much better. I know that I'm kind of going off decluttering on a smaller like makeup collection compared to other videos, but I just feel so much better and lighter, and I'm just happy looking at this pile because this is genuinely all the stuff that I really do use on a more consistent basis, and this was just kind of hogging up space in my makeup collection drawers. They're already small as it is, so I just feel so much better knowing that there's a lot more room. And oh wait, actually no, this one should be here. I just feel so much better knowing that there will be a little bit more room and that I just won't have things taking up so much space. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up or subscribe if you want to check out more of my videos, and I will see you all later. Bye everyone!